Okay, on tonight's episode, Eating with Rich, I went to Target real quick, so I wanted to show you guys what I got at Target. So I got some Hot Pockets. Let me know in the comments if you guys like Hot Pockets or not. It's been a while since I've got Hot Pockets, but I got the ham and cheddar, and then also got the pepperoni pizza, which is a classic. I also got White Castle. They don't have White Castle in Los Angeles, so I grew up eating White Castle back in the day, so I was craving some White Castle. I got White Castle. And then I got ice cream. I got this mocha cold brew coffee. This is Target's brand. Favorite Day. Ayo, Favorite Day, they make good variety of ice creams, and it's like 370 calories per pint. And then got to get the classic Ben & Jerry's. Ben & Jerry's has so many flavors, but today I got the dirt cake, but that's pretty much it for my quick run to Target since I had the munchies. Let me know in the comments what would you get at Target when you have late night cravings.